Yes, I am from Morocco. I am from Morocco. I have business in textile. Okay, I am in visiting India for looking for machine, bottle machine, and I look in this machine. No experience. I look in maybe good. I looking for industry from India industry. I compare it with China industry. Maybe India is good quality, good finishing. They are planning to for this machine for bottle machine, planning to buy it and after shipment in Morocco. Berman, yes, yes, I look is good company, serious and good company.